this I don't know. My brother, listen. Shaggy, wait. I want to tell you something. When enter this Dutch land, 2018, when God send one man come and set people free, I call my friends. I say, Jama, get within the hide. I don't see the security. Jama, if you take lawyer, you are your own.
You are your own. You're
Jama, the fan person. Wait, Jama, the fan person. Where get boldness. Jama, the fan person. Where get boldness. Boldness, you will withstand them. Boldness. You can defend yourself. You can defend yourself without no lawyer. Now, Jama, they need. If I don't know the wisdom, Jama, they look for person. Stand on your own. Don't look for who will defend your case. Stand on your own.
Yeah, you are right.
Thank you. Lawyer. I professor for them. They look me say, oh, bros, I know they drink. I know they smoke.
I believe you. No, I didn't tell you.
They want to talk now. They say they man. I say when the time don't come, now will know. I be prophet. I don't be prophet. So then now, these people are professor now. Some of them they don't deport them. Some of them they different country. But you will not get lawyer. I did the country. 2018, when I applied for asylum, I don't. 2022, now they send me letter. George send me letter. Now home my father George. Full country. Now George, now he send me letter. I say, now me hold your far. 2024. Now George say want see me since 2018. See 2024. Now George send me letter. Say he want to see my face. Who they perform this kind miracle? Miracle, yeah. System, I can discover. What do you talk? I be like Joseph. Jama will submit my mission. He will submit.
Because you believe in faith. Yeah.
Then I hold 10 years, 30 years. Now I take me for this process. I tie pellets. I tie a smoke. Now what? Say not be only my interest I they fight for.
You are a fool. You know when you crazy, so they worry you. You they mad. Sorry, the money wait now. Wait. You are a fool. Africa alien. You are a fool.
No man.
God punish you. They crazy. God punish you. Another time they are the work. You they mad. Who be you? God punish your life. Continue, my brother.
Jama.
Continue. Just a boss smoker.
If they want beat you, that is if you enter another man's country, the man ancestor. What did they demand? Ancestor. 5 vote can come at you. Ancestor. I don't dare your land. What are they forbid? What are they forbid? They will call it. They will tell you. See what they forbid. You need to find that instruction. If you go open your heart to see these people, you need to open your heart, see them overnight. They will tell you see what they forbid. But if you dare guilty, we are your own. Why they say now night? Let Jama say they do that things now night. Yeah. Why not ask yourself? Now night, you don't already play overnight. Then physical beginning unexpectedly they will take you on a way. Body work and school and house they will take you unless you carry your bag by yourself wrong.
My afternoon they for arrest me, no be night too.
At the time, you don't already play overnight. Your system they already starting now. Your system they already conclude all your matter they already conclusion. Some of them later not let them sleep later. What? Since I enter this country now be later come where I not get. May I show you?
How many don't get?
May I bring a call? Jama don't teach me. They don't teach me. Show evidence. Evidence can make your enemy shut up.
Where the evidence?
You will shock your enemy. You will shock your enemy. Enemy they come out. They don't confuse. They found who they want confused.
You forgo Italy. You forgo Italy now.
Who want to go Italy?
You. Man, assuming you go Italy, if I go chief for there first.
Who is that? A guy. You say part of joke. Don't let him. Wait for the joke. Wait for the joke. And then for the no truth friends. Wait for the joke. And then for the no truth friends. Wait for the quarrel. And then for the no truth friends.
My face do like sad joke.
No, I want to tell you one thing. If that joke, you'll stop her.
Wait. Sammy, how far?
You see this guy issue, this Gemini money. Because it's a popular saying that says that a word is enough for the wise.
Yes, thank you.
You feel me? This guy, so I don't say I'm saying no amount of talk when I want to talk for here. Where he goes and tell you wise up. I know that they make any sense. Because I don't see him now say in the very bereft. You know to the listen.
Sam, I beg go.
I thought you no quiet.
The man still fire you. They close. Like Academy come join me. Like Academy come Europe. Why can't you tell me? Say, can you take your opinion?
I dey talk to you.
Huh?
They hear me.
Wait, make it talk. Wait, make it talk.
Bring me down. This guy don't talk for you. Bring me down. This guy don't talk for you. That be Ivo. Not be Ivo. Not be. Bring me. Now Academy come you. Why can't you tell me? Say, like take your opinion.
Listen to me.
Now Academy come Europe. Now Academy come Europe. Now they feed me.
Wait, now make it talk. If you listen to that man,
I don't give that permission. Now Academy come Europe.
Ogbonna meet this guy. Ogbonna meet him.
Wait first now.
Your mama.
You go listen to me.
I don't
listen to me now.
Unless you drop me, I will come up for this platform. This guy will talk for you. I know them.
Oh, you know? You say you know them.
That bastard. I say I know you. You say no.
Fine, be bastard. They're gonna mute him and line without that line just now.
Okay, you know talk for you. You know talk for you. Open your face. Open your camera. Open your camera. Open your camera if you want to talk for you.
I did work. I know if you open camera.
You know they work. I don't see for another platform today. You know they work. I don't see for another platform. When they work audio platform, they find woman when what deceive.
Tell me you walk. Now what do they tell you? If I find man,
I said they work. What be your problem?
Listen.
Okay, no, you don't have to ask me.
Listen to me. Maybe hear what the.
I know that, sir. I just need to take
your men for the around you because you come off for line.
Turn and fire you. Now you come off online. Now what you apply? No work. That's why I think gang against Joseph. All your brothers, all your friends, they gang against her. Joseph, they say this is not my dream.
You be Joseph.
Yes, I say I want break this. You know hear what I talk, sir.
Okay, person tells me go walk. Now batting talk.
Now batting talk. Yes, now batting.
You country for 7 years.
I want break, sir. I want break records. See, I want break records.
I want to get passports.
I want break records. See,
why you talk like this? Why you get this?
I just state pride. Say this guy don't break record when they never for Jama. Me, never know una jam.
Listen.
Battle with the battle. Now
listen.
Jama was surround. You know, Egypt surround for Joseph.
But I meet this guy. My talk.
Don't be swearing.
Depression is real. You know, say
you weren't working now.
Depression they real, but and you tell the talk so. This guy na person will be say it's above 40. You understand? We man will be say man and man. You understand? How you go just day house 247? You know they work. You collect 200 euro. Then you use the knock on for chest, say man. Now the secret. Which secret do they talk about? Which stupid secret do they talk about? Every person no one know. Which secrets? How you go their country? Okay, then they tell you that okay, if you don't feel work, make you go school, integrate. So that if you apply for the law, they get resident permit. If they lose guard. So now what do you for that? I'm not they tell them the truth too. I'm not saying that your guy, but make they try, they catch up. I agree the house.
Thank you. Unmute yourself.
Anything Nigeria, I dey divert. Una system, I dey divert promote. Anything Nigeria do for this country, I dey like to change narrative. Anything Nigeria do for this country, I dey like to change narrative. Now me what do?
Okay, you know what they do wetin Nigerians do.
No, I don't do. I want change narrative. Now me look beside the craze. I don't know what they talk. When God said He will use madman to speak to the whole world. That's what He talk for the Bible. Say He will use madman speak to the whole world. If they exist. You people for our physical. Now me look me say I not dey normal. Make we live like that. When time don't come, when if I will sleep, everybody will know. When time don't come, when if I will sleep, we'll hear. Now then you sleep. They hate God. These people. I want make my God get proud. It's not dictionary. This Bible is not dictionary. Now I want make you know why people are they're not going to say why God they exist. Pastor don't deceive them too much. Fake pastor don't deceive them too much. I want let God know. If you want to know discover this God, read the Bible on your own. Don't let pastor.
If you quote any chapter for us, Smoke will see. Whether you read your Bible.
Okay, I will quote chapter for you. Why?
I want to sure so you read that book.
Okay, nobody will tell me. Say I read Bible. Nobody will tell me.
I just want this show.
Everybody tell me. Because some of you now, huh? Now people say that church, when they use billion build, now they got the day. God don't exist for there. God they exist for your heart. That church, it there your heart. Don't you say because they use billion build that house, build that church. Now go this chair, go this table, now they there because you carry Bible. You should die with the devils. You should die with the devils. Your church is your heart. Okay, if you God don't exist, why you dey dream? Why God give you dream? If you know that God don't exist, why you dey dream? In what time you say you know that your spirit, sometimes you know they see yourself another place, your spirit take off, you go to do this other spiritual world. Guy, if you don't take time, enemy they will rubbish your life for you. Tomorrow I will make her. Tomorrow I will make her. My mate they make her. Whether my mama stand for her, you don't know. Whether my papa stand for her overnight, you don't know. But you be JJC, you be Kanama. We are Kanama for this world. We are Kanama. Don't be Kanama. Don't be Kanama. Oh Bible, begin to vote God. Begin to the kabash. The kabash. I'm telling you, power is here. Power is here. Power is here. Now spiritual thing. May I tell you, don't be joke, yo. May I tell you, let it out, huh? They will carry pot.
Small.
That's my character. As I know the quarrel. That's my character. That's in a man. Serious man. You need to get action. Serious man, get action. Both spiritual, physical. If your spirit is too low, this enemy, they will rubbish your destiny for you. Without you not know, you know they are aware. This enemy, look at the challenge now. I know we are a bit of God. If you know so is strong, overnight, carry my picture, go your shrine. I will visit you. As long as I don't offend you, I don't take Maggie, I don't take salt, I don't fuck your wife, I don't take your rapper, I don't take your cloth. Because in heaviness, hatred, let it come and you say, you want to destroy yourself, that's not me, huh? My brother, get off a mat. My return to you, huh? Now to destroy everywhere overnight. My return to you, now to destroy. I be smart David, destroy Goliath. I will bring you down. I say, as far about God. I know I see your call, don't verse. I see your call. Don't distract me. I beg don't verse. I want you to know, sir. This Nigerian people, their brain too low. You see this guy they call me? This guy they call me. If they call me now, if they come from phone. When they Italy, if they go church, he will come and say, "Me go church." You know what they tell her? Hey with your church. Why they come and say me I go church? I don't say this guy. He discover something. Now make they come and say me I go church. But one day I come from I go church. I go. As I want to see prophecy. Now look up because when I want to see prophecy now, they come to be camera at the video. They say the video, now yes they look. Now I smile. Because I think when they tell me, say at the video church, now yes they look, because I want to stop that church. Are you getting me? Italy for a year, people they watch me now, they come in now. I tell they say, I will get document. They say I be Mugu, I be Ozuo. I said, I don't already see the revelation ahead of me. I will get Italy document. They say I don't know what they talk. As far as Nigeria is concerned, I don't get document. I say, we shall see. May wait at the battle. I do shoro for Italy. I be shoro man. Whenever I carry Bible, I will call your name 3 times. I will wage war against you. Let the darkness and light, let them fight now. I will tell you this battle, I'm a hero. I'm a hero. My blood is bitter. You cannot suck my blood. I will suck your blood overnight. Because I hate injustice. I hate injustice. I'm a freedom fighter. You must let my people go. You cannot take their destiny and begin to suffer. Who are you to take person's destiny? You go to Africa because that person they progress past you. You tell your mama, make carry the person picture, go let it doctor. Who are you? That person, if your mama don't release her, your mama will use it to take career. If your papa don't release her, your papa will use it to take career. I challenge you, darkness. Whosoever behead it, carry person name to little doctor, carry person name to fake pastor. You lie. Whatever you saw, you will reap. This time around, you will reap. I'm a freedom fighter. You will let my people go, set my people free, and let them go. They know the whole you one era. They know the whole you cowboy. Let them go. Some of them know they are aware what they suffer for. Some of them know they are aware what they pass through. You people behind it overnight. You people behind it overnight. Come and set my people go. You must let them go. You must let them go. You lie. If it's sure for you, come out overnight. Let me fight this battle. Let me fight this battle if it's sure for you. I will tell you, prayer is my work. I don't get another work. I make sure say you, I will access will handle you personally. They will handle you personally. Access will handle you personally. They will squeeze you. They will squeeze you overnight. They will squeeze you. Who are you? See the way they vibrate. This power is with me. God, I don't know what to do. You hate God. You see God. The way they said Joseph, I got provoke. When I say my picking, when I say me lead you now, because when I say it's too small to lead you now. Joseph too small to lead you now. Now hate her with your dream. Okay. Now provoke God. Now they throw. So now not provoke me. I will make Joseph wait till I not believe in you. I'll make him become. Don't go give Lady Daughter money. Maybe do attention for you for Village Africa. They will chop your money. They will clean mat. Lady Daughter, if you share for Lady Daughter, why picking up the maker? If you share for Lady Daughter, whatever they call themselves, where they are picking up the maker, they are picking up the poorest picking in the community. They ask where they live. You cannot enter self. You cannot visit them. You say guesses. Lady Daughter say they see road. Now you know the see road. God, the way God take creator, so God take creator. They deceive you now. Now they deceive you now. This night, when they don't call, they will call our name. I they call our spirit. Our spirit don't come from our body. God made them. But if they want to do to that down our spirit, they will do to them. If your spirit don't get smart, they'll useless your spirit for spiritual world. They will useless them. That is why Lady Daughter want to sort for you. Say, can you get me the name? Try to get the person name. Because now the name, now it will vote over, it will vote, it will call your name, it will call her. Now the secret that they open her now. Whenever I get a Bible, I will call your name 3 times. I will wage war against you. Let the darkness and light, let them fight now. I will tell you this battle, I'm a hero. I'm a hero. My blood is bitter. You cannot suck my blood. I will suck your blood overnight. Because I hate injustice. I hate injustice. I'm a freedom fighter. You must let my people go. You cannot take their destiny. I believe they suffer. Who are you to take person destiny? You go to Africa because that person they progress past you. You tell your mama, make carry the person picture, go let it daughter. Who are you? That person, if your mama not release her, your mama will use that take career. If your papa not release her, your papa will use that take career. I challenge you, darkness. Whosoever behind it, carry person name to Lady Daughter, carry person name to fake pastor. You lie. Whatever you saw, you will reap. This time around, you will reap. I'm a freedom fighter. You will let my people go, set my people free, and let them go. They know the whole you one era. They know the whole you cowboy. Let them go. Some of them know they are aware what they suffer for. Some of them know they are aware what they pass through. You people behind it overnight. You people behind it overnight. Come and set my people go. You must let them go. You must let them go. You lie. If it's sure for you, come out overnight. Let me fight this battle. Let me fight this battle if it's sure for you. I will tell you, prayer is my work. I don't get another work. I make sure say you, I will access will handle you personally. They will handle you personally. Access will handle you personally. They will squeeze you. They will squeeze you overnight. They will squeeze you. Who are you? See the way they vibrate. This power is with me. God, I don't know what to do. He hate God. You see God. The way they said Joseph, I got provoke. Ah, when say my picking, when I say me lead you now, because I say it's too small to lead you now. Joseph too small to lead you now. Now hate with the dream. Okay, now provoke God. Now they throw. So now not provoke me. I will make Joseph. What you not believe in you? I'll make him become a hero. And make Joseph, I'm with you. Don't look back. We will know who will win this battle. If the winner, make them not serve her. But if you winner, they will come to you and apologize and begin to look for a solution for their life. This is what he promised Joseph in the prison. Who are you? You did there when Jama access or invite me? You did there? You did there? You know what they tell me? Who are you? Access of James, they invite me. Who are you? You see, I just got to the proud day and night. Because what he God don't do when I never see her, it's like beyond the peer. And they gather around. What result? Only that one, no see, only that one talk now, TikTok catch fire. TikTok catch fire. I know I bring that one come out. Because you people say, I work, I do this one. I do this one. That's why they give me this thing. Because I don't bring that one come out to say, I don't work. I don't go school. I don't marry. I wish I marry. I got woman. Take the collect money for Jama hand. Huh? They will disqualify me for spiritual world. They will disqualify me. I'm not capable to run this race. Joseph their prison. He not marry because he did mission. I wish I marry. They will disqualify me for spiritual war. I'm not capable to run this race. They will disqualify me for spiritual war. They will disqualify me. It is I don't have the fuck. I just have to do opwe. I resist because now heavy duty. Now God give me heavy duty. Huge assignment. Now God give me assignment. Now God give me. I must fulfill this mission. Who are you? I don't feel fuck. Do it they fuck. Do it they do opwe. I don't feel do her. Oh zo. Now no get sense. Now no get sense. Now the one that they use speaking they collect money. I foresee do one. Men speaking they collect money. See 7 years. I just they collect money soon now. Yes now. Our mentality now. That's our mentality now. Our mentality. Without no marry, no, they don't give you paper. That's why you people, relationship people know they hungry now they enter. This relationship people enter now. Some of you women, they don't sell their destiny to the river. They don't carry their destiny to the river. When I know this is prepare water to soup. Prepare water to soup. Some of the evil guys, they come for mission. Some of them don't be genuine. Now to come and destroy boys' life. Also with the boys, now 50-50. Some boys still come and destroy girls. 50-50. I stand for justice. I cannot stay one part. I leave the other part. This battle between boy and girls, it dey my body, they my body. Some of them that message, they don't say this guy got vision. This boy will destroy this guy's destiny. This guy knows that this boy got vision. This guy will destroy this boy's destiny. You people, African mentality now. Yes, no. Let me talk out. This African mentality. No more they lecture each other. No more they control each other. No, everybody want to go Oga, they raise shoulder. Who got the country? They never raise shoulder. You want to be slave, you raise shoulder. I don't arrive. You want to build the house. Who never build tomorrow? The day when we build you will come be new one. You will come be old. Oldest. You see, Versace. It don't really pass. Now new connect on the rain now. Nothing 5 years time. That new car it don't expire. No, another one don't come out. Also with the house. You don't get sense. Don't do competition with somebody for Europe. They'll mislead you. Don't do competition. Take my brother. Don't do competition with somebody. Laugh like Johnny. You know, build the house one day. A journey of a man, take a step. A journey of a man, he take a step. No house, they build one, they no house. They build one, they no house. Who are you? To control people destiny overnight. You carry mirror. You tell Papa, tell Mama, make they control person destiny. He take Maggie for your house. What they take from you? What they control their destiny? Because the person he pass you. Because he make a pass you. My brother, if you are so in the spiritual realm, spiritual world, because that I will buy that matter, I will buy him. Yes, now. That matter, I will buy him. I know many people are not safe for spiritual world. I know many people are not safe for spiritual world. That, yes, now, that matter, I will buy now. I be troublemaker, I be servant of God when they find trouble for spiritual world. Because I hate injustice. It irritate me. Injustice, they irritate me. Injustice. We are weakness from my parents. Injustice. It irritate me. See, I like to destroy. Injustice. I hate her. I hate her. What it belongs to me, take it from me. Well, you say, I will hate her. Injustice, I will hate her. What did I take for you? What did I let it take for you when you carry a picture? You carry a picture. Let it daughter. She ran to she ran. You will use your career now. Yes, now. Look at me very well. That matter, I will buy her for spiritual world. I will buy her. I will find you. Where did the person take from you? When beginning some with the mention in name. You lie. Wait for me. Wait for me. Me. Yeah, look at me. Not many people are not safe for spiritual. Not many people are not safe. Not many people are not safe. I don't do the work. Physical, God already positioned them. Who want to do something? I be message. I don't already save her for spiritual world. Physical, God already positioned the person. When want help her. I don't do the work. When God, the assignment when God give me, I don't do one. You carry person name to let it doctor. You carry person name to fake pastor. You carry person name to fake all those fake prophets. Now they call God, not because call them. Now they call God, not because call them. Say by that fruit you shall know them. Now I say I know God, you know God, you know God. Can you make sacrifice? Can you make sacrifice? Sacrifice without no sex, no smoke, no heavy, no hatred, no jealousy, no gossip. Face your whole life. Don't let any person enter your eye. You can't do it. Can't make sacrifice. Say now just carry Bible. God. When God don't answer your prayer, say God don't exist. You cannot come to God. You don't want one miracle one day. A pot is already in the fire. You cannot scare pot. It's already in the fire. A pot, yes, now. The pot is already in the fire. You cannot scare the pot. It's already in the fire. Yes, now. Who are you? You carry person name to let it doctor. My dear, my brother, my sister, who they hear me for today now? Let that person let me discover her for spiritual war. I will buy the matter. Me will buy her. I will buy her. For reason, I will buy her. You people, use. Go let it not go let you for power. I'll tell you, I did this man Zoom. He can destroy you overnight. There she right. Now night I'll tell you, he can destroy everywhere. He can destroy her. You want to say I don't carry war come. I don't see. I be conquer. I conquer war. No battle on the face on the conquer. Ogbona challenge. Ogbona too small. Ogbona. Sir, me and you for this battle, not return. Ogbona. You know what you got to do for me? Until you come out and tell the whole world. Now this battle it will finish. Say what you talk, not talk again. The way Oyedi protected the whole world. Say may they forgive her. If you not pay off free, that's when you talk na lie. No off you must go heaven. But that man, if that man made that prayer in secret, we no will know. But God tell us, say, go to the whole world. Tell them the way to use my name to deceive them. See, that's the only way I can forgive you. Because that man got only one bar. Not only one bar now I can get now. Now God tell them, for spiritual war, say, go and tell them the way to use my name to deceive them. Who not pay off, you know they go heaven. They use the same way, come and tell them, say, now you lie. come on shame. Now the man come on shame. You know, care what people want to talk. Now the same way, go now, they come out and tell the whole world. Say, may I go to the Bible, you not talk again. Make God forgive her. Shall be potent. Know what the Bible, this Bible, know what you don't do for me? Who are you, Bona? You and your gang. Man, wait for me for this battle. Yeah, I will look for you. For spiritual, I will find you. I will find you. Evil people. They be chameleon. These people, they be chameleon. Though they pretend they be your friend, they don't be your friend. Who they watch me for ya? If you want to get friends, serious friend, and spiritual, physical. Now there, they will determine who be your friend. Not be that time. Natty, you might be not total bush. Natty, you might be not total snake. Okay, God create to make on the suffer. God create to make on the suffer. Why can't you ask yourself? No, let this suffer. Let God just say, come and call the suffer for this world. Now they do one night. When they call your spirit in the night, they will request for something for your spirit. May present to them. If your spirit is not there active, your destiny is finished. It's gone. Your spirit is gone. Your spirit is gone. Your spirit will useless. Tomorrow I will make her. Nothing make her. Then they make her. You don't feel they make her. And the same job when they do the same job. If you don't see Papa, see Mama, when I stand for you, stand on your own. Stand on your middle of the night. Stand on your own. I come with the prophets, with the nights. See, now I don't go church. If na church I dey go, now say na there because na there God for they bless me. They sit down with the Satan for church. We do prayer with the Satan for church. Church when they do, no what they do the altar. So they serve God. God not there. Let me tell you, my people, God's not living there. Mother use gold and silver to build that church. God's not there. God is your heart. Now your heart, now there God for the dwell. Yes, now. Yes, now. Let me tell you now. Declare now. Your heart, now there God for the dwell. Not the dwell for that church when they use gold to build. Serve your God the way you understand this. Serve your God. Don't let person read the Bible for you. Bible, not be waiting to read for person. Bible, not be waiting to read for person. Know this one. From today go, no one. Bible, not be waiting to read for person. In house of God, when God they come, he says they do tax collector. Each away with anger. But the house of God now, they collect offering and tax. Offering. You know the Bible, when God they come, he has where he said, my house is not for prayer, it's not for tax collector. It's already everything with anger. God provoke, not be bonus. Why God provoke? You don't use them to collect money. Why God provoke? Then now come physical, now come to deceive us. Now people when they don't know what they happen for darkness. Now they advance. Know your way, it's not cause. I come and drop this message for now. Now, no, from today go no. Now to control physical. Don't that time. Don't that night. Don't that time. Don't that night. Not to control physical. Not will determine what you will become. Not will determine what you will become. Not. I give you guarantee. Not will determine what you will become. These deceivers. Haters. Agbelulu.